All right, this is a video that I did for the Olmec statue that we did, the Mayan symbol panels, and this is what the guy sent us a photo of to replicate. And basically, these panels we got through the internet through individual symbols that we found, and then we made a mold such as this to cast these panels. But right now, my son's actually doing a mock-up, a small one to scale, to get his grips on what's going on here. Then we started with a big block. I think this was 4x4 by 4 if I'm not mistaken, but he just basically takes a chainsaw and carves it up. And I'll let you see I sped this up, and I try not to put too much. Obviously you know what we're doing here, so we'll wait for the next moment here. All right, so that ends the carving part of this whole sequence here in the last couple of seconds here, but we never did get video of the actual mudding of it, but you can see the statue completed and installed later here. This is a video where we basically have started to make the individual symbols by taking a box and carving it out and making it to where it's ready to rubber. Okay, so we made 12 of these symbols, and what you're looking at is a box that the mud has been put in. We carved these out through some stencils that we had got printed, and then we basically have poured rubber in each one of these, so where we actually molded them. Now, the idea of this whole thing was to have a rectangular form that these individual rubber pieces could be put in, and there would be a little parting line there where you had the joints touching each other, but that was okay. We wanted this to look like individual tiles. But the bigger point was we could reassemble the layout, and not one panel would ever really look the same. And you'll see it when the job's done, when it's in the casino, that it's not discernible that there's really a pattern reproduction. I can't remember how many panels we actually made for this casino, but there's 16 in this pile right here. And now I'm showing you 2 jigs that I made so that I could actually cut the parting lines with about a 1/4 inch cut, so it had a look like it was individual stone tiles that had been carved out. And then once I did that, then we would stain them and seal them and then package them. And now here you can see it in the casino, and the runs of how many we did, I don't know for sure, but I do know that we created the Olmec head, and then, that got placed. And then while we were selling this to the gentleman, I said, hey, we have an Easter Island statue here. So he bought that. And that's all of our contribution. And then this lovely waterfall, I don't know who made it or whatever, but it's made with real rock, and we didn't have any part in that. But it was a great job, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. Please, if you liked it, like it, subscribe, share, and view some more of my stuff. And if you need something, give me a call. I'm always available. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.